Hey friends, welcome back to Jason's Design Shop, where today we're going to make a wizard staff out of this stick. First I got to drill some holes for some electronics, so stay tuned. We're going to put a crown on there, and the cool part, epoxy. Yeah, we're going to make a big epoxy crystal, but first let's put some LED lights in there and make it totally awesome. Yeah, that's what it looks like all sanded out, but many layers in this crystal, and actually two crystals, and if you don't overmix the epoxy, it looks amazing. Glue them together and cut them on your table saw and you get a cool crystal. But be careful, it doesn't take long before it has its own magic. That's right. So we got to drill a hole in there and give it a heart. The LED lights and the switch. Then you turn that on. It's so beautiful. Check it out. You should subscribe and watch the whole video. It's amazing. Then we sand this out and clean it all up for a final beautiful staff. And look at that shiny crystal. Awesome. You got to watch the whole video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.